On someone who Prophet David Yahweh, Dr. Arizo Tukadibia. Enough is enough of all those nonsense. Every time Ebuka Igbo. Let me tell you the truth. Nothing in this life, and nobody's God. One if I don't know why nobody is what? God. Here is very well. Came and car, Imaran Konso. Every man car, Imaran Konso. You can see this woman crying like a baby because of your greed, because of each of the I cannot say that this woman is lying. Master, this woman at once, because you, Accusations, have called me on phone concerned about Ebuka Obi. But when Ebuka Obi is busy calling me names, you're nowhere to be found. You people hacked my account. There's almost 1,000 over how many years account I've been using to preach the gospel. You people pay your fake bloggers and your fake this thing, what do you call it? IT boys who have videos. James Agabora was part of the team, and Jepak and so on. You people hacked my page. I think you have done me some. I'm not what you call, let's better than Christ. I'm not where is he? Where is Palace of Justice? Ken, the Palace of Justice. He talked about me. He said, I'm charging money for Salaka. I say yes. I never respond to him. But your problem, you'll be doing all manner of nonsense. When they mention your name, you'll be calling police. Is your police your father's house? Are you the only one in this Nigeria? Let me tell you, no matter what you know how to do, other people know how to do other things. And I'm going to Zokweo. Zonani, Babro mad. Babro so Igbo. What have you done to bring that Mazen Nandekal? You have money because you steal from the poor people. Ebuka Obi was a poor man. Many years, 5 years ago, was a very poor man. So how come he became rich? From correcting from people, from worshiping Queen of Heaven. We know all those things. But that's not why I'm come. Why I'm come because of what? Somebody come here, this one. See, listen to me. Ever in a belief in him, God will give you punishment that he will regret, even your money cannot what? He cannot enjoy it. That's what the Bible says. Do not be jealous of the what? Of the wicked. And you look around, they will not see them. Palace of Justice have problem today because of Accusations. We know when the boy is crying. We know, let us say the truth. All that frustration of you hacked his page, destroy any means to shoot video that will do what? That will bounce out his page. You want to frag his page. We'll have it. Palace will just cry for over more than 3-4 months. Accusations, this is my page. This is my page, so I can aim over how many $1 million that is in my account. Over 10 million or something. Where is the boy today? He's in prison. Where is the jailer today? You are a saint. Useless Ebuka Obi. Where is the jailer today? You putting people inside prison. You claim you don't know God. What you are, you're worshiping Satan. A man who cannot have conscience. You're pretending, doing the worst. An occultic man looking for people that will call occult. An idol worshiper looking for why. Many kingdom worshippers. He went to Vatican. He call Mbaka fake, Mbaka this one. He left Mbaka that used his platform to become somebody. Or you will team up and give Mbaka name and call him also for name. Meya Kaje. He resigned there because he believed he have the platform. He just for a while. He used Mbaka to cram. He's no longer your spiritual father. Since you know you have a spiritual father, why do you go to Mbaka? He's just in the prison because of your fake miracle RNG. Nothing you can do about it. Truth be told. I have said to do this, and if you try otherwise, God will destroy your family overnight. I sent to 7 Igbo. See, look at the way this woman is crying, like a baby. Oh, now, mom. Oh, now, mom, you're happy. Oh, you're not seeing me online again. You'll be able to hack my page. But it does nothing for me. If I was eating from church, I would be crying. But I made my money. Who God bless. No man can curse. Because I believe I'm a multi-millionaire before you. Ebuka Obi, I'm a multi-millionaire before you. Go and bring the history. Just 10 years ago, where you have money. You're a poor man. You only using church to blackmail people and the police to intimidate, and you come using church money. If they tell you the truth, listen very well. Very soon, government will start closing church of Satans. Mark my word. Why you not carry all the bitter down? Why you not go market this your bitter for Zion? Why you no carry am Zion we move? Why you no carry am go the Senate to Zion people? Bible says that shall not sell alcohol. You will ask alcohol. Tomorrow people will be facing kidney problem. Let us say the truth. Enough of this nonsense. But the reason why I'm making this because of this woman. I hate when I see women cry. Now, husband, they know what he the pass. Woman know what in the husband they pass before you come out and start crying. How can you start hacking people page? Over that new business. You want to close their business, so you will remain you. This is the same thing useless Ebuka Obi did. You want to close other church, you remain you. You are too small. He will soon borrow leg. Because he that we got the majority are serving the God of Abraham, the God of peace and God of war. You can see Israel. I am the born of Israel. If you want war, we'll give you war. If you want spirituality, I can never be afraid of anyone. I never get, even the Nollywood industry, when they shot me celebrate till today, most of them have died. The last thing I can do to be afraid of anyone, you are a coward. Calling police. Bring your spiritual power. Get your angels. Go to your demons. Get your idols. Get your merry power. You have no power. What you have is police. And the hiring boys, paying bloggers to hack people page. Useless people. Ndoka. Even though this woman is not saying the truth, I'm talking about my own. You did it, people did it to me, so the woman is not. 5 people can be lying against you. Thank God this woman is also saying, share the telecast. I don't know her. I don't need to know her. But we are all Igbos. Yoruba people can do this. There's a lot of action bitter. There's so many bitters. Go there. There's so many church. Go. Mbaka is not your spiritual father. This one is evil. This one. Why you are the man evil? Looking for other people that is evil. Celestial, do you think they worship God? Celestial and the Roman Catholic is not the same thing. They are all marine kingdom worship. Both your Zion or Satan, they're the same. Can prove it. If anybody can prove, if you can prove that Mary is not a Satan, I'll drop my Bible. I can never answer. I'll close my ministry. Let us go to Israel. Come and tell them how Mary became mother of God. Come and tell us how Mary became mother of God. Ndara. Now, because I know mother ego, you will name and do one intimidate. Remember, I can you for busy buying land now. Begin to buy that land. Begin to buy a land Yoruba. And I'm an Igbo, so from Igbo. I'm not in competition with anybody. I am a spiritual warrior. I'm not interested. I'm in Lagos. I know the church. I'm not interested in church. The reason why I'm opening is just to help the Igbo. I'm not interested. God knows. But the reason why I come is to destroy the kingdom of darkness. To expose evil. Like people like you that watch this setup. Correct me, you worship God. Anybody that answering Zion. And that's why it's not a Sabbath. It's a satanic church. Zion, guess them very well. Zion are the Jews. Are the chosen one. Revelation 3 verse 9. Read your Bible. How will you become Zion if you're not a chosen? Who are the chosen one? They are Israelites. They are the Jews. You want to become Zion? I am a Zion. I am a Jew by keeping the covenant of God. 10 commandments. If you don't keep it, you don't know God. From Genesis to Malachi is word of God. New Testament are most and manipulation by Romans, by idol worshippers, by church of Satan, drinkers of blood, Babylons. Never know God. They came, they brought you to Africa and deceive you. Telling you that Jesus is a white man, so you believe them. Why Jesus was a black woman? Have you preached about it? You're still praying to that man. If you're still part of who are praying, you perish. You will die under attack. You will die under sicknesses. You can see many people that also went to that or said I still come back to me. Why are they coming back to me? I see the woman that come from America. See the man that have 5 years sickness. See a lot of them that go there, they're still looking for solution up and down. Show me one person that you delivered from Marine Kingdom that's free. It can never be free because maybe it's also Marine Kingdom. Principalities and powers. I'm angry in my heart. I say I can't be talking about. I don't want to fight what they say. This is my year's celebration, but because of the way it is, I have to speak. Can I every time I accuse my Kuwait? I could. If they go to Matthias, where I shot Matthias? Ibonyara. We don't hear one. So can I an Igbo? In a protect Ebuka Obi. That church Matthias. That is some business you're doing. How will you feel if baby could come and fight you in that bitters? Jepaki was not ambassador to baby. No, Jepaki used to sell your drink. Was not ambassador for baby. No, Ndara. Only you the one come out for. Obi Kumana no get to Degu. No, if you go pata, if no manipulation, can you promote your brand? You can who what that? Go and sit down. Let me tell you, you can't pay for advert. You're using bloggers. I go. I did big board in Lagos State 2005. I spent over 10 million. The guy asked me. Jadon will put person in the whole Lagos. I did big board. Come and do big board in Lagos. Come and do big board. You're paying people 100,000. If they now account 100,000, 1 million. What? That is nonsense. Far back in 2005, I did big board, 10 million naira advert. Jadon. Now nonsense. You know advert. J-Pack here, he creating problem. They promote to go now free. Another thing say that thing you're paying, you're giving. I gave you 1 million. What is 1 million naira? For that clear problem that J-Pack is creating, using J-Pack to destroy other people, for your people to rise. Think I don't know your game? I already pray for you for J-Pack. All those nonsense. Maybe he's learning in the hard way. Where's just Abu Agubari? I told you we learn in the hard way. Forget about the multitude. I am the spiritual war rod. Enough is enough. Accusation. Enough is enough. Marina, if you think you have money, you have never made money. If you think you know how to make trouble, you have never seen trouble. Know that this country belongs to we all own Nigeria. It didn't belong to you alone. If you think you know DSS, that some people also know president. Just know it. If you think you have 10 million, there's some people that know have billions. Each other na yara na gari. So ka aga puta. Email Zorobita yesterday. Because you ask you what business do you do? You went to open Zorobita. Just business you're doing before Zorobita. No, what business are you doing 10 years ago? Show your legacy. Can you feel me 10 years ago? Accusation, can you feel me 10 years ago? Show us your legacy. 20 years ago. Let us call EFCC to come and prove you. So it shows how you made your money. Now, yara. Tomorrow I send it like on the but my message all this in minor. If you don't talk about that, see brother, all those drinks are killing people's kidney and killing people's hearts. It's a money figure, and also you may pay so bit. I not say you should not say your drink, but truth to be told, I don't take alcohol. Alcohol killed a lot of my friends. Akim, the owner of Mobida is my 5 and 6. The guy that have to do it all, he died under alcohol because of what he doesn't eat. Every time he take, he died kidding me. Many alcoholics, they have 25% of gin. The business, but it's here in a church. God said that shall not do evil. Because God punish you. You go to church, you don't promote alcohol. People are drinking, they will die. Go and do your business. Go and face your business. Remove yourself from Christianity. You're not a born again. So why are you fighting for God? Are you a priest? No. Are you a prophet? No. What do you know? When we talk, come out. You get to hack people page. Are you a prophet? What do you know about prophet? What do you know about Mary? Can you defend Mary now? How about in a court now? Can you defend Mary? In a Zion. Do you know the meaning of Zion? Are you a Zion? You're a Zion of Satan. Are you a Zion? Are you a Jew? Are you keeping Sabbath? Sabbath have the only Zion. No other person like Zion. Zion might have Jews. In a Zion. Are you a Zion? You're not a Zion. What you are, you're a Roman Catholic. You remain there. That's where you are. Babylons. In a Zion. Fake people. You gotta answer Zion. Hijack the name of the holy praise of the God. The most holy. Are you a holy people? Criminals. Are you a holy people? You put each other inside prison. How many rabbi? How many pastors? How many prophets in Israel can you go not to Madanga? Una coca. They met to see you up and down everywhere. I got no nife. Enough of all this nonsense. You're happy. Your evil day will come. Bible says, do not be jealous of them that you look around. Allah, the day will come. All of us are in this Nigeria. You will cry like a baby. All of you that are doing this evil. Whether you they pay money, whether you a blogger, whether you are a part of it, all of you will suffer. And if you don't suffer, you know I'm not a prophet. Whether I'm dead, I'm alive, the spirit, for you to hack my page, all of you must suffer. It's a vow. You can't buy me, can't bribe me, can't stop me. Because you did Chalaya, you can't hack my page. What would I do to you? Did I mention your name? I was on my own and start speaking against me. Are you a prophet? You're a pastor. You're an evangelist. First your work. You're not a prophet. Shouldn't put mouth in what I do. You don't know nothing. You're selling water. Are you not a criminal? Do you know to sell? Are you supposed to sell water? You're selling hotel. Are you supposed to sell hotel? You're selling sticker. You're selling your picture to people. Did you just start selling picture? Did you just start sell water? the miracle. The old one, the old woman they brought to your family, it's scattered their family. Where Matthias, you want to take that one? You know, if the boy that they tell you will die in the Philippines. He was not alive today. Hey, if you don't come to Zion, he will die. How come nonsense? That one is enough to even close your church. Putting people on hype tension. The guy called me, was crying. They give my name in Zion. They say if I don't come, I will die. The video is there. That's why I hack my page. That's why when I have many evidences that people are complaining, that's why they want to hack my page. So people will not hear the truth. I have all your threats, all your videos. If I play my video, you see Accusations. If I go and screw back last year, you see when they call me, well, put it on white. Accusations come and deny that you didn't call me last year. Did I call your name? Are you Ebuka Obi? Who are you? You're nobody. What you have is money which can disappear in 9 seconds. Don't try. Don't try spiritual world. I never have your time because I'm a non-one cable. Because all Otimbu have no choice. Keep on to don't go and face your business. Till men will remember you. No, Neko. Till women remember you, go not say this is Nigeria, no Ghana. In Eko church. In Eko, how many toss Ebuka back carry the waka? In a art toss. Yeah, oh yeah, art toss. Yeah, by where would I come at us? But your brother. What do you do? Do you know God? You do know Jesus? What do you know is man kingdom? You don't know Jesus. You don't know Bible. You don't know nothing. You shouldn't be there. You're not a born again. He says so. Then go and do your business. You shouldn't be there. What are you doing there? Who told you that they need gas stars in the church? Who told you that they need gas stars in the church? Is Jealous in the prison? Is he not your brother? No, is Jealous not becoming your brother? Why is he in prison? You want to give him charge like he cannot beat up. You bring somebody that have 50 million, somebody that have 10 million. Can you bring some people that have such money? That have rent, that have 10 million. He made your way, he paid your way, he's paying you. It's good for you, you're clapping for you. Your evidence will come when you remember this things I'm telling you. If it's not the truth, you know I'm not called by Almighty Yahweh. Nothing I said that cannot come to pass. Nothing I said that not come to pass. Last year I told you people that you hear from me. Didn't you hear from me? You didn't hear from me. You hear when I come. You will confirm that prophet is not a pastor. Prophet is not evangelist. Prophet is not a reverend father. Prophet and merit. This is my that something else even back as synonym for ministry. So you're a kid in the ministry. Your money is nothing. I received billion from occultic kingdom. If I want to be rich, I will be moving with Jeremiah and betray them. Then Ebuka Obi is nowhere to be found.